So when I'm giving a consultation to a client, the first thing that I look at when they come in is their persona. How are they coming in? Are they hunched or are they straight out? Are they look really confident about themselves? Or do they seem a little bit worried about what's going to go on for their service? And that gives me the first detail that I'm going to say, okay, they sit down, I look how they're dressed, I ask them a little bit about their lifestyle. How much time do you have to have your hair done? What do you do for a living? And then they could say to me, they may say, I have a really conservative job. I'm in the courtroom all the time. And maybe I'll see inside of them that they do have this little side that they just want to sometimes be able to change it up at the end of the day. So I would always give them something, maybe like something undercut that is maybe a bob, and at night they're moving it over to one side and they have like one side cut out. So it's super important for me to see who that person is and then detail from who that person is. So I'll look at shape face as well. I'll look at head shape. For me, when I cut hair, I always never worry about hair texture because I have a bunch of liquid tools, which are Sebastian, that I can literally cocktail into anything I want, making it a hybrid, making it just strictly a styling product that's going to change that texture. But the one thing that I cannot change is the shape of the head, and everything depends on the shape of that head, where the highest point of the head goes, where the hair is going to fall. Maybe the occipital bone maybe is not as strong as I need it. Well, at Sebastian, we have 9 different techniques that can help elevate anything that we want, creating a little maybe back cutting from underneath that will create a little bit more volume. So we have tons of techniques that really can help you to get your client to get up that next morning, shake her head out, maybe just come out of the shower and have a great haircut, and then she can just enhance it right from there.